How you doing, guys? Welcome to 360 Tactical. Today I'm going to clean pretty much most of the guns that I use on a daily basis for training. Unlike the Glock fanboys, I only have one Glock. I have the TAURUS G3 Toro. As you can see, it's clear, no mag. This is a great little gun, a very affordable gun. So I just had a training this weekend and I'm gonna get to clean it. First of all, I'm gonna clean my TAURUS PT111 Gen 2. As you can see, no need to say it's not loaded. It's completely disassembled. But as you can see, it's super disgusting. I haven't cleaned it in over 8 months. Look at that, man. I don't know if you can see that, but let's get to it. I don't clean too much, but today I'm going to, because I have a muck inside these damn guns. Oh, well, and here is the empty Glock, which I pretty much only use for CCW classes and training. Other than that, I use my Smith & Wesson M&P Shield or my Tauruses. Guys, don't hate on Taurus. They're affordable and they're really, really good. All right, we're gonna start with the barrel. I got some napkins here. I don't use very expensive stuff to clean my guns. So, nothing. I use the hopper. Actually, I got this nifty little box for Christmas. Like 19 bucks. It comes pretty much with everything you need to clean it. From a 223 to a shotgun. Guys, I know my channel's new, but if you can do me the favor of liking, commenting, subscribing to my channel, that'll help my business grow greatly. Obviously, this is the name of my company, 360 Tactical. We specialize in teaching people how to use their firearms the correct way. Unfortunately, there's too many new gun owners out there that don't know how to operate their guns correctly. They're misplacing the guns. Their kids are getting hold of their guns. Get training. Get training. Not necessarily am I telling you to get it with me or with anyone in specific. Just get some type of training. And let's get the stereotype of that all gun owners are irresponsible and we're just doing crazy stuff. As you can see, the world is a little weird. For the past few years, but lately, for the past few months, it's even worse. So please do yourself the favor and do your family a favor of getting some type of training. I've seen videos of people just killing themselves with a Glock. They're gonna bring down the pins to clean it. They didn't notice that there was a one in the chamber and bang, there you go. Guys, keep in mind, all it takes is one click for you to lose your life. So do yourself and your family a favor and definitely take some training. I don't know how much it is over there. Here in Miami, I can't speak for everyone. I can speak for myself and the teammates that I work with. We're not expensive, we're affordable. We're a very affordable training camp. And you just can't afford not to train, at least, and unfortunately YouTube is not enough. So I know, ironic, huh? I'm doing a YouTube video for the first time ever. I worked up the courage to finally do it, and here I am. But definitely, please take some kind of training, cleaning your guns, storing your guns. Storing your guns is pretty much common sense. Keep them away from your kids. Keep them in a safe. Keep them somewhere high. Remember, you can lose a cell phone and your kid will find it in 2 minutes. So please do yourself that favor. All right, enough with the blabber crap. let's get back to cleaning. What I do is that I take the cleaning solution. I use Hopper. I don't use no, you know, very expensive liquids or anything. And what I do is that I just try to wet it as much as I can and leave it for a couple of seconds, really, not even too long, just so they can get all that gunk out of there. Because like I said, I haven't cleaned any of my guns in the last 10 months, and yeah, I think they're due. I think they're definitely due. So what I do is I just take a cotton swab. Sorry guys, I'm already at that age where I gotta look either over the glasses or under the glasses, but not straight ahead. My eyes cross already. I'll just leave that sitting there real quick. The recoil spring, I really don't bother cleaning it that much. I cleaned it last year sometime and hasn't really gotten too dirty. I mean, I don't think there's much powder that gets into there anyway. But just one of these little papers. So if you notice, it's fairly clean. I don't know if you can see the dirt, but it's not that bad. Guys, and again, I apologize if I'm not a professional. I typically don't do videos. I actually worked myself up to do this one, so, and hopefully this will be one of many. I just need you guys to take care of yourselves. You know, there's way too much bad shit going on out there. Sorry, I am a human being, I curse. And not too much, but I do, unfortunately, but it is what it is. All right, so this is the recoil spring, if you can see. I mean, I don't know how much you can see that. It's not that dirty. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wire brush, I'm gonna dip it in the solution. Let me get that crap out of there. Just start drilling it inside. Like I said, I really don't go 100% on cleaning my guns. Maybe once a year. Clearly, last year I didn't do it because I'm doing it now. But I do clean everything when I do get to it. Let me take these off. Just take your time, guys. Make it a fun thing. Don't say, "Oh my God, I have to clean my gun." It's an ordeal. You do that, you're never gonna clean it. I don't think like that. I just don't have, you know, an ample amount of time to do so. But when I do, I try to take my time and get it done correctly. If you notice right there, the feed ramp, oh, nice and shiny for the bling bling guys. It is dirty, unlike the recoil spring. It's disgusting. I do have a little brush. This I actually found at the range and I kept it simply to get into a little nooks and cranny of the barrel. Clearly you see my hands. So I gotta depend on other smaller things to get my stuff clean. Wow, that's nasty. Look at the front of that barrel. Eef. I'm amazed it hasn't misfired or anything, or caused any problem. Obviously, that won't cause a misfire, but whatever. They should try making one of these that doesn't smell like shit. Guys, don't get on your wife's table unless you want to get your ass beat. So that's why I have this. I bought this crap at Walmart like 3 years ago. It's pretty good. This is a little adapter for the cotton ball or the cotton swab, whatever. So the way I do it, I mean, you can do it the way you want to. I'm just doing it the way I've always done it. I'll take it, grill it up, put it in the swab holder, and just pass it through the barrel till it comes out clean. Even if I gotta spend 16 of these little things. Okay, I think this ain't the one from here. Okay, give me 1 second. This is my little box with a whole bunch of extra pieces. Cleaning snakes, more solution, more oil. I do try to keep everything as organized as possible. Otherwise, the wifey beat starts screaming and saying that I'm unorganized. Go figure. A man unorganized. Who would have known? I don't know about you. If you guys have the same issue I do, I wouldn't necessarily call it an issue, but you know how we are. We are unorganized. And so my wife has me with a little piece of closet, like this big for my gun cleaning stuff. So, not too big. All right, apparently this is for shotguns. I haven't cleaned my shotgun either in a while. I'll just use the old one that I had. And what I'll do this, so we won't waste anything, I'll just use this dirty one for now to get as much muck and dirt from in there as I can. And then I'll pass cleaner and cleaner until it comes out completely clean. Just put it in there. Guys, this is made out of metal. This is not a little girl, so push it right in there. Oh, I see how that came out really wrong. Never mind. All right, see? That's the way it comes out. Just throw that out. Put in a new one. And just keep on doing this until it comes out very clean. Remember this, at least this one that I'm cleaning now, which is a PT111, this is my lifesaver. So just dump it in there. Oh, maybe too much. Pass it through. And that will definitely start cleaning out the muck. By the time you pass the next one, it should be fairly completely clean. Wrap it up with something else. That way it doesn't get all over the place. That way your wife doesn't beat the shit out of you like she does mine. I'm pretty sure if she sees this, she'll... What do you mean? I never hit you. Oops, sorry guys. And these things you can pick up. I think I picked this up at the Miami Gun Show for 200 of these for like $5-6 a few years ago. Guys, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do read all the emails, although I've only been posting shorts. That hasn't been getting too much traction. You know how it is with us in the Second Amendment. Nobody wants to give us traction unless it's like-minded people. And if they don't publish it, nobody will see it. So if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do read them daily. Obviously now I have the time because I'm not making a living off this. I actually have my real job. I have another job. I have 3 jobs in total. But my passion is this, and eventually I would like to make it something full-time where I can have enough money. And I don't mean from YouTube. I mean, I can care less about the money from YouTube. I don't want to be a YouTuber. I want to be a mentor to people. So if you got any questions, leave them below, and I'll answer them, man. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. If you're in Miami and you need training, and you're tired of all these trainers taking your money, teaching you the same thing over and over and over again, it's all about the money. And when you came in, you couldn't hit the target, and when you go out, you still can't hit the target, call me. I'll make sure you hit whatever target you're looking for, accurately and quickly. So I'll show you this swab. I didn't show you the other one. But this is when I stop right here. For me, this is good enough. Well, actually, for anyone, it should be good enough. If you notice, clean, clean. Now what I do is that I don't like leaving that nasty oil on it. I mean, that cleaning solution. So I'll put it right here next to the recoil spring. Then I'll go to the slide. If you notice, guys, we've been at this for 17 minutes. Probably more talking than anything else. But how else are you gonna learn if you don't know? I'm not saying I'm the best at this, but I've been doing this for a little bit, just about 12 years. So, I mean, if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll definitely answer it soon. If you look at the slide, it's nasty. The plunger, I mean, pretty much everything. I'm not gonna disassemble it. It's not that bad where I have to disassemble the whole slide and the sear and everything. But I do, I mean, look at this. Clearly it's been some time. And these kind of swabs are cheap, man. I mean, guys, ladies, sorry. I think I paid like $4 for 200 swabs, man, at the gun show. It's I mean, don't get your Q-tips. These are much stronger than the Q-tips. I'm telling you because I used to use Q-tips, and I don't anymore. I've had this for over a year already, and they last a while. So just go in between where the striker comes out. There, I might have to hit a little bit harder because I haven't done that in a while. Just make sure you slide down and not up. You don't want to put any kind of muck into that striker because God forbid you need it and it's not gonna come out. It's like the barbecue. You don't want to get all that grease and muck on top of your clothes. You scrape forward. Here you scrape down. Make sure nothing gets in there. And again, guys, this is a TAURUS PT111 Gen 2. I know TAURUS has had a bad reputation. If you guys follow TAURUS now, man, they've come a long, long way. I have over 10,000 rounds through this gun, and I don't mean just at a standstill range where we're stagnant, with a stagnant target. I mean, literally beating the shit out of it. Look at it. Actually, I just put that front sight today. Let me focus. Damn, my phones. I don't even have a camera, guys, so bear with me. Well, anyway, whatever. I just put that front sight today because mine broke. The gun fell to the floor, and incredible enough, the only thing that happened was that front sight came off, and I just put it on. It's nothing, man. And so far, I'm not editing my videos, so what you see is what you get. I don't think there's perfection in anything. You see a lot of YouTubers, they take time editing their videos and going crazy editing. I don't know how to edit, so I won't. And most likely I won't ever edit a video. So I might shorten it. That's pretty much about it. What's the point of me editing and then you don't see the screw ups that happen, along the way? I also do training. I have a lot of videos that I have to put up, but like I said, I don't do editing. I don't know how to edit. I'm not gonna say that I'm stupid, but I'm really dumb for editing. So there you go. Take that with a grain of salt. All right. Here you go. Look at that. Not too dirty. Nasty. Since my fingers are so damn big and I can get them, I'll just get a cotton swab right here. Make sure you don't leave no cotton in anything. I'm not sure if anything will happen, but just in case, to avoid a problem, don't. Yeah, guys. Another reason I don't do much editing is because it's impossible. I mean, it probably is possible. Not if you're gonna do it right though. To clean a gun in 5 minutes, like they say all over the web, that's a crock of shit, man. Take your time. Clean your gun. Your life depends on it, literally. So what I do is that I'll keep on doing this until it comes out fairly clean. I don't need it to sparkle or be all Gucci'd out. See, not, this is the one I just got out. This is the one I'm using now. Man, it sucks to have big ass fingers. Then you can't aim your gun, guys. Don't be dirty, man. You gotta keep on using these little things and clean everything out because your damn fingers don't fit. See? That's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna place this over here. That way I don't lose it with all the other gun parts. Now here, wow, this is nasty. Okay, here today I'm gonna clean pretty much everything. The sear, yep, pretty much everything. So everything here gets a cleaning. Let me throw all this crap over here. Excuse me, guys. Actually, I typically use a snake to clean the barrel, but I didn't need it today because I wetted enough. So I'll put that away. Okay, here we go. There goes nothing. This is nasty, man. Has dust, shit, except dirt, everything else, man. Guys, remember this is a tool, so it's, yes, it is made out of polymer, but it's not gonna break because you clean it right. So put some elbow grease into it. Especially me, I only do it once, obviously every 10 months. Typically once a year I'll disassemble the whole gun and take out the sear, but not feeling like it. Yes, guys, I know some of you are gonna say, oh, why is he keeping his fingers straight? Habits. You create bad habits here, and you start doing this crap, like when you go to the gun show, oh my God, look what a pretty gun. And that's exactly what you're gonna do, create bad habits. Don't create bad habits here, you won't have a bad problem out at the range or in your life, God forbid. I can't emphasize enough, man, gun safety. I mean, do your research, talk to people. If you're here in Miami, call me, man. I don't mind helping you. I'm a very down-to-earth guy. Some people say I'm an asshole, which I do agree. I don't tolerate bullshit. So, yeah, that's me, man. But I'm not a bad person. I just don't like hypocrites. You know, women beaters, kid beaters. So, if you're not none of those, you just reach out to me. Reach out to me, and I'll give you a helping hand in anything that I can. You guys ready for this? This is nasty, man. And that's only from the magwell. I did it through the top, guys. Relax. Yes, I do use my gun a lot for training. I lend it out to people that don't have firearms, but yet they want to get some training before they get their firearms. I don't rent them. I just lend them out. All they gotta do is bring the ammo. And I mean, it's turned out to be a great gun, man, to be honest with you. I had bought it before. I heard all the crap talk about TAURUS this, TAURUS that. I've never had a problem with it. So, you know, stop the stereotype with TAURUS. I'm sure there's a lot of guns. I heard the SIG had problems, you know, so you just need to make sure you use it, keep it clean, because God forbid you ever need it, it's there, it'll respond. I think I've had maybe one failure to feed on this gun so far in just about 10 years. I'll take that all day. Yet, incredible enough, the Glock I've had quite a few problems with the Glock. So Glock, if you're listening to me, hit me up, I'll tell you what the problems are. I doubt a God ain't gonna see this shit. I'm a little puppy compared to other YouTubers. Like I said, I don't care about being a YouTuber, I just care about teaching people. But I won't be small, well, hold on, correction. I'm not a small guy. But I won't be small for long, you know, forever. Oh, that's My niece's dog. Check out my shorts, guys. It's I wouldn't say so much as funny stuff, but there's rapid fire and whatnot. All right, guys, that's pretty much for this one. Just give it a quick clean. Look, this is the wifey right here. Come here, baby. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
See, I'm ugly, but I got a beautiful wife. That's pretty much it. Let me close this right here. Gonna build back. No, not build back better. That's pretty much it. I got a few times. That's it. You know, it was. That's my niece's dog. I just saw something out. Look at that ramp. Never had a problem to feed a round into this gun. That, and I did polish it a little bit with some green cream polish. Only the polish, not much. Let me just finish passing this through. Actually, it was a buffer like this, but a small wheel buffer. And for like 30 seconds, man, it polishes nice. No sandpaper, guys. You're gonna screw it up. All right, let's just build this back up. This is one thing I love about the TAURUS. Check out this reset. Actually, no, let me put it like this. Right there. I mean, the take-up is nothing. All right, guys. I'll conclude this video with this. So please like, share, subscribe, recommend it to your friends, and